What's going on, guys? It's Elias. Welcome back to the channel. Thanks for tuning in. Today we have a special video. We're going to show how my Honda Prelude does against an 8th gen Honda Civic Si. Now, for those of you that follow the Honda Prelude, my Honda Prelude, you guys know that I do hill climbs, and in those hill climbs my main adversary is another 8th gen Civic Si. So here at NCM Motorsports Park, I get the chance to go behind a Civic Si and try to keep up with him, and not only keep up with him, but I actually eventually pass him. So let's take a look at how I do. Now keep in mind that this is my first time ever around this track, and the guy in front of me, his name is Ashish, really awesome guy, really nice guy. If you ever met him, he does a lot of SCCA events. He actually keeps a pretty good pace and continues to compete with me for the rest of the time trial and time attack events. Alright guys, I hope you guys enjoy. If you have any questions or comments, put them down below. What do you guys think of these videos? I do enjoy making them. Obviously, I love whenever I'm on the track, but I also enjoy sharing them with you. stacked up against it. Now, as far as my opinion goes, I think the Civic Si and the Honda Prelude are pretty well stacked up against each other. They compete very well against each other. Now, I think the Civic Si probably has a small edge over the Honda Prelude, only because of the age of the cars. I'm sure with my 240,000 miles, this chassis pretty much had it at this point. I drive this Prelude because it's really fun and I love having it. I've owned this car for 12 years now, so it's awesome for me to have it and awesome for me to race it. What do you guys think? Which car would you choose? A Civic Si, an 8th gen Civic Si, or a BB6 Honda Prelude like the one I have now? Alright guys, thanks for watching. If you have, again, any comments, put them down below. Any questions, let me know. And in the next video, we should be seeing how this Honda Prelude stacks up against the Integra GSR. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll catch you next time. Peace out.
The schedule the paper says right now, that's the plan. About 10 minutes after 10 to get you to pit lane, and right at 10:15 we will get you out on the track. Not thinking that this mechanical tow is going to cost us much time, but we will let you know if that changes. We had been running a few minutes ahead, so this should help us. Should be a pretty quick tow.